about to board.
We are about to get on the gangway, y'all.
After a long wait. Lots of traffic.
We haven't cruised in 5 years.
Yeah, last cruise we did was to Alaska.
We are very excited.
So this is a long time coming.
Opening this up, getting our room keys, and by the way, we now have gold status with Carnival.
I think that means we get free water.
Probably.
I think that's all it means.
Alright. This is our stateroom. You guys are seeing it for the first time with us.
Yep.
These are going to be our closets, full-length mirror. And we've actually got plenty of hangers, which is good. And this is more, I think the safe should be in here. Yep, there's the safe.
Lots of drawers.
What's down here? Oh, I think it's the fridge.
Fridge?
Yep. And this is going to be the bathroom. And it is your standard Carnival bathroom. Tiny shower with a curtain. You also have a rod in case you want to hang clothes. There's a mirror here. Plenty of towels, shelves. Another mirror for us ladies when we do our makeup. Tissues. Some more places to put stuff down there. Pretty standard. Let's come this way. So here's a desk with a little chair there that you can sit on. We've got the sofa on this side and some beach towels. Now, if we had a third person, this would convert to a bed so that third person could sleep here, but
there's no third person here.
We don't have a third person. Here's the bed. Ooh, look at the TV.
Oh.
Welcome, Richard and Vanessa. Whoop, whoop. Oh, and the best part, the balcony. So let's first open this all the way up.
I know it's a bit more expensive, but I will probably never go on a cruise ship again without a balcony.
Nope. Not worth it if you don't have a balcony.
Also because it also helps with the motion sickness. Because you could be able to look outside and look at the horizon to level yourself out. We do have 3 chairs for some reason.
Again, in case we had a third person, but we don't. There it is. And yeah, we just got on the ship not too long ago, so we're probably going to go eat first. And then we'll explore the ship so that we can give you guys a full tour. Oh, and by the way, we are cruising on the Carnival Panorama.
It's what we've all been waiting for.
Swirls.
Something we always talk about is swirls. It's not named swirls anymore, but it's still swirls. We are
sailing away.
What was that movie called?
Come sail away, come sail away. Like Father.
Seen that one a couple years ago. I think that inspired us to go on another cruise.
On another cruise for sure.
We are officially leaving Long Beach, and we're headed towards Puerto Vallarta first.
But we're gonna have 2 sea days first.
We'll be there what, Tuesday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday we'll be in Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah. But there's plenty to do on the ship, and we are so excited to have 2 days to chill. There's our tugboat friends.
Whoop whoop, that's the sound of the police.
What's your favorite thing about cruising?
Honestly, it's probably the sea days. The ports are nice, but I think just being able to relax and you can go get anything to eat or drink anywhere on the ship, anytime. Probably these kind of days.
What's been your most favorite port that you've been to?
Oh, that's tough. I'm gonna have to say it's probably the Alaska one, the one we did the glacier trek.
Juneau?
When we went and got it, we had the first time riding a helicopter. We had to take the helicopter and land on the glacier and then trek up the glacier. And then we got to drink glacier water.
So that's your favorite?
For sure.
Nice.
What's your favorite thing about cruising?
I think it's the same as you. Like, I just love sea days. I love that you know you have nothing to do that day. It's like you can wake up when you want. You can do what you want. It's just knowing that you have absolutely zero responsibilities while you're out at sea. I like that.
The other cool thing too is that we get the comedy clubs, either shows that they put on here.
You can lay out in the sun.
Spa if you want to go to
Take a nap. Yep.
And what is your favorite port that we've been to?
So I think it would be Juneau as well, but I'm going to say my second favorite one. That way
We got
it's
some
not
variety.
the same. So I think my second favorite one was Puerto Vallarta the last time that we were there, because we got to go to Yelapa, and that was a ton of fun. Getting to see like the little village and the little community that lives there, and I don't know, it was just so like untouched by man, you know?
Well, what's funny is that with the one that we booked now is kind of similar to Yelapa.
I feel like it's more commercialized though, even though it's still like a little town that you can only access by boat. It's more of like a private beach than it is like an actual little town where people live. But I think actually this one might turn into my new favorite one.
It looked nice from the pictures.
If it lives up to like everything I've seen.
First towel animal of the cruise. I don't know what that is.
I think it's a dog. Here's his little nose and his little ears.
It's a dog. Hello.
Howdy, friends. We are going to go try to find our dining room. We are in the Horizon dining room, and we have the late dining, which means we don't have to check in for our dinner or anything like that. We just show up and they will have our table ready for us. Plus, it's the late dining, so hopefully less kids.
Yeah. That's crying and screaming and doing all that.
To those of you that have families,
Yeah,
sorry, but
we don't want any kids. So. All right, that's going to be it for tonight.
Yep, we hope you guys enjoyed coming aboard the ship with us. Hopefully tomorrow will be a more active day, I guess you could say. Today was kind of just getting settled on the ship. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we get up to some fun stuff and we'll bring you guys along if we do. If you are not yet a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does a ton for us and it's completely free for you. Also, feel free to share the video with anyone who might be considering a cruise, or to someone that you're trying to convince to go on a cruise with you. We appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you in the next one.
See ya.
Bye.